Healthy morning, students. Today we are going to solve exercise 3.3. See, as I told you, there are four methods to solve linear equation two variable. First, graphical method. Second, substitution method. Third, elimination method. And fourth, cross multiplication method. Graphical method we have completed. Today we will start substitution method. See, word itself says substitute. So what we'll do? Here we'll find out value of one variable and that will substitute in other equation. It is very easy. See, before starting this method, we'll convert all the equation into simple form. Suppose if any variable is in terms of fraction, find out LCM and simplify. LCM of 3 to 1 will be 6. So if I want to make LCM 6, 3 should multiply with 2, 2 with 3 and 1 with 6. So 2 into S, 2S, 3 into T, 3T, 6 6 are 36. Remember one thing, when we find out LCM on both the side of the equals to, no need to write denominator. Equal to this side, left hand side we have found out LCM, right hand side also we have found out LCM. So no need to write denominator. Now write both equation again in simplest form. S minus T equals to 3 and 2S plus 3T equal to 36. This will be equation number. Give this second. See, from this equation we'll make subject. So don't give any number. We'll give first equation to this equation. Okay? Now, from here we'll make as subject. Then we'll make subject to that variable which have coefficient 1. So S will be more comfortable to us. Shift minus T. So it will be S equal to 3 plus T. So this is going to be equation number 2. What we'll do? We are having value of S, that is 3 plus T. This value will substitute in equation number first. So by substituting value of S in equation first. Equation first is 2S plus 3T equal to 36. So what is value of S? 3 plus T. So instead of S, we will write 3 plus T plus 3T as it is equal to 36. Now multiply 2 3s are 6 plus 2 into T, 2T plus 3T equal to 36. So 6 plus 3T plus 2T, 5T, 36. Shift this 6 towards right hand side. We'll get 5T equal to 36 minus 6. 5T will be 30. T going to be 30 divided by 5. Value of T will be 6. Okay. Listen, simple, remember one thing. From first equation you will get first value. See, by using this first equation we have got first value. Now by using second equation we'll get second value. इसका हमने यूज कर डाला, इसका यूज बाकी है. Now we'll substitute value of T in equation number 2. By substituting value of T in equation number second, which is S equal to 3 plus T. So S going to be 3 plus T, we are having 6. So X going to be 9. So solution our ST equals to S 9 and T 6. Solve. Okay, go through it. Then we solve next one. Okay, let us solve second. Here it is. Three x minus y equals to 3 and 9x minus 3y equals to 9. 9x minus 3y equals to 9. See, as I told you, first of all we'll reduce the equation. To reduce that means what? Reduce that means if equation in term of fraction, find out LCM, and if such kind of equation is given, if any number is divisible by through these all coefficient, then we have to divide. Check it out. 9, 3, 9. These all three number are divisible by 3. तो हम 3 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. ठीक है. 3 3s are 3 minus 1s are and 3 3s are. So we'll have 3x minus y equals to 3. But check it out. Same equation we are getting. And remember one thing. This graphical substitution, elimination and cross multiplication is a method to find out unique solution. यूनिक सॉल्यूशन है तभी आप उसके सॉल्यूशन फाइंड कर पाओगे. अगर इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशन है या नो सॉल्यूशन है तो किसी भी मेथड से आपको कुछ मिलेगा नहीं, एक्स वाई मिलेगा ही नहीं आपको. तो चेक करते हैं कि दोनों इक्वेशन सेम हो गए तो इसके सॉल्यूशन कितने. देखो, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स सेम, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ वाई नो नथिंग गिवन, दैट इज -1, हियर -1. कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ वाई आल्सो सेम, कांस्टेंट आल्सो सेम. All coefficients same, that means what? All ratios same. Remember, if all ratios are same, that means what? It have infinitely many solutions. So we cannot get value of x and y from this method. हमें ये बताना पड़ेगा कि इसके infinite solutions है. कितने solutions है? Infinite. तो वो हम कैसे शो करेंगे? Like previous method we had applied ना. We'll find out ratio and we'll show all ratios are equal, so it have infinite solution. That's it. In that way we'll show. So let us show. Here it is. Three x minus y equals to 3. Standard form. An original equation 9x minus 3y minus 9 equals to 0. Okay, so this will be a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2. So a1 by a2 3 by 9 1 by 3, b1 by b2 minus 1 by minus 3, 1 by 3, c1 by c2 minus 3 by minus 9, again 1 by 3. So here a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. That means given equations have infinite solution. Let us solve equation number 4th. Here it is. 0.2x plus 0.3y. 0.2x plus 0.3y equals to 1.3 and 0.4x plus 0.5y equals to 2.3. So as I told you, again we'll reduce the equation. Reduce का मतलब क्या? फ्रैक्शन है तो सिंपल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर दो by finding out LCM. If it is divisible by any number, then divide it to reduce. See, it is nothing but decimal fraction, so I will remove decimal first. After point we have only one digit, so it will be 2x by 10. Here also one digit, so 3y by 10, 13 by 10. This equation 4x by 10, 5y by 10, 23 by 10. Now what we'll do? We'll find out LCM. LCM 10, 10, 10, 10. So 1 1 Here also LCM 10. Find out LCM separately for each equation. No? For this equation LCM 10. For this one also 10. 1 Multiply numerator. So 2x plus 3y equals to 13. 4x plus 5y equal to 23. Now it is reduced. Check it out. Now no number is divisible by 2, 3 and 13. Same here. Now this is called reduced form. After reducing whatever this second equation you have now, give equation number first. And from this equation we'll make any one variable subject. X and y both have coefficient. So we'll make x subject. Shift 3y. So 2x will be 13 minus 3y. Shift down. 2 down. So x will be 13 minus 3y by 2. This is going to be equation number second. Okay. Now what substitution? Value of this x will substitute in equation number first. So by substituting, SUB, that means substituting x in equation first, which is 4x plus 5y equals to 23. So what is value of x? This whole is called value of x. So instead of this 4, we'll write this whole fraction. So 4, 13 minus 3y divided by 2 plus 5y equals to 23. 2 2s are 4. है ना? Now we have 2 bracket 13 minus 3y plus 5y equals to 23. Multiply inside the bracket. 13 2s are 26 minus 6y plus 5y equals to 23. Now let us solve. 26. This 6y and 5y will solve. Minus plus minus 6 minus 5. 1y greater is 6y, so its sign minus equals to 23. To find out value of y, what we'll do? We'll shift 26 toward right hand side. So we'll have minus y equals to 23 minus 26. Minus y equal to plus minus minus 26 minus 23 3. Greater 26 is sign negative. Minus minus cancel. So value of y will be 3. Now what we'll do? As I told you, we'll get answer from these two equation only. First equation तो we have solved over here. Use कर डाला. अब किसकी बारी? Second की. So from number 2, even simple way you can write. Or instead of this, you can write this 10 times also. Okay, by substituting value of y in equation number 2. So x is 13 minus 3y by 2. 13 minus instead of y 3 by 2. So it will be 13 minus 3 is 9 by 2. 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9. 4 divided by 2. So we'll have 2. So here we are having solution xy. Value of x 2 that we have found it out, and value of y 3. So here this question number 4 is solved. Go through it. Let us solve next question, question number 5th of same question number first. Look, question number 5th. Here it is root 2x plus root 3y equals to 0 and root 3x minus root 8y equals to 0. तो what first thing we'll check it out कि whether we can reduce or not. तो पहले फ्रैक्शन को हम रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं by finding out LCM. It's not a fraction, है ना. Second, we can reduce by finding out any common factor. See, root 2 and root 3 is not divisible by any number. Root 3 root 8 is also not divisible by any number. So they are already in reduced form. Once we get in reduced form, this equation will give number first. And from this equation we will make subject. So don't worry if we are getting root. It is easy to solve. To make x subject, we'll shift root 3y towards right hand side. So we'll have root 2x equals to minus root 3y. But I want to make x subject, so I have to shift root 2 also. Root 2 will come down. So it will be root 3y by root 2. This will be equation number 2nd. Now as I told you, from first equation we will get first value, from second equation second value. Substitution. This is the value of x, this is the value of x that we substitute in first. So by substituting value of x in equation number first, let us substitute. First is root 3x minus root 8y equals to 0. Root 3. Instead of x, we'll write this whole value of x, which is minus root 3y upon root 2, minus root 8y equals to 0. Now multiply this root 3 inside. Root 3 into root 3, 3 minus 3y upon root 2 minus root 8y equals to 0. Remember one thing, in any stage while solving the sum throughout the math, if you are getting fraction at the same time, find out LCM. Whenever you get fraction, immediately find out LCM. So here we are getting fraction over here. So first we will find out LCM. So no number given in the denominator, we will write 1, 1. So LCM of 1, 1 root 2 will be obviously root 2. So here if I want to get root 2, I will multiply with 1. If here I want to get root 2, I will multiply with root 2. Here also with a root 2. So 1 into minus 3y, minus root 2 into root 8, multiply, 2 8s are 16, root 16, y, root 2 zeros are 0. So we have minus 3y minus square root of 16, 4y equals to 0, minus minus plus, minus 7y equals to 0, shift minus 7 down. We'll get y equal to 0 by minus 7. If I divide any number by 0, I will get 0. Okay. So now we are having first value by using equation number first. By using which equation we'll get second value? Second. So by substituting value of y in equation number 2, so equation number 2 is x equals to minus root 3y by root 2. So we'll get minus root instead of y 0 by root 2. Root 3 zeros are 0 by root 2, 0 by root 2, 0. So here we have answer x 0 y 0 solved. Go through it. Let us solve question number 6. Here it is. Say again, this equation is in the form of fraction, so what we'll do? We'll find out LCM. So forget this. What will be LCM of this fraction? 2, 3, 1 LCM 6. 2 should multiply with 3, 3 with 2 and 1 with 6. Multiply numerator. 3 3s are 9x minus 2 5s are 10y equal to 6 2s are minus 12. Okay. As I told you, okay, whenever we find out LCM on both the side of equal to, we are not writing denominator. Same here. LCM of 3 to 6 will be 6. So 2 get 6. 3 should multiply with 2, 2 with 3 and 6 with 1. So 2 into x, 2x plus 3y equal to 30. Now we are having reduced form. Check it out. 9, 10, 12 are not divisible by any number. 2, 3, 13 are not divisible by any number, so it is reduced form. So this equation will give number first and same way we'll solve. Here we'll make x subject. So shift minus 10y. We'll have 9x equal to minus 12 plus 10y. So x will be minus 12 plus 10y divided by 9. This is going to be equation number second. Now substitution in which equation? First. So by substituting value of x in equation number first, we'll get 2x plus 3y equals to 13. So substitute. Instead of this x, we'll write this whole, because it is value of x. Minus 12 plus 10y divided by 9. 2 instead of x, this whole fraction, plus 3y equal to 13. Okay. Now as I told you, at any step if you are getting fraction, find out LCM. 1 za 1 za. LCM of 9 1 1 will be 9. It will multiply with 1. 9 za 9 za. So multiply numerator. 1 2 za 2. This bracket minus 12 plus 10y plus 9 3 za 27y 9 13 is 117. Again, as I told you, here I have find out LCM both the sides. I will not write denominator. Multiply inside. Minus 24 plus 10 to the 20y plus 27y equal to 117. So minus 24 plus 27 plus 20, 47y equal to 117. Shift minus 24 towards right hand side. We'll get 47y equal to 117 plus 24. So 47y plus 141. Y equal to 141 divided by 47. So it will be divisible by 47. Check it out. यूनिट डिजिट 1, यूनिट डिजिट 7. 7 के टेबल में ऐसा कौन सा नंबर आता है कि पीछे 1 यूनिट डिजिट है? देखो 7 1 जा 7, पीछे 7 आया. 7 2 जा 14, पीछे 4. 7 3 जा 21, पीछे आया 1 21 में. तो 47 3 जा 141 हो सकता है. तो जस्ट डिवाइड 141 by 47 और मल्टीप्लाई 47 with 3. 3 7 are 21. I am getting 141. So 47 3 is 141. So now we are having value of y. So from first we have obtained value of y. Now to obtain value of x, what we'll do? Which equation we'll use? Second. Same substitution. So by substituting value of y in equation second, which is x equals to minus 12 plus 10y divided by 9. Substitute minus 12 plus 10 instead of y 3 by 9. It will be minus 12 plus 10 3 are 30 divided by 9. Minus plus minus 30 minus 12 18 divided by 9. Answer 2. So here we are having answer x 2 and y 3. Clear? So this sum is also solved. Go through it. Now question first over. Go through it. So let us end this lecture over here. Bye. Have a seat.